True, and most important factor which is happen in interview, that is your communication.
Right.
And most of them that they know that their communication are weak, but instead of that they are also not work on that. Exactly, they don't know how to work on it. So can you
Right.
give it any practical tips that students should follow to improve their communication skill?
Right. Well, you see, communication as such, Prashant sir, communication is a very vast subject, you know.
Yeah.
And to tell as to how to improve communication, I would like to say this, that we keep conducting sessions in MNCs also. Like I mentioned, we have conducted sessions in Tata Aeronautics Limited, we have conducted sessions in Medcash, and there were many sessions on communication as well. So we conduct sessions for communication for the employees who are already hired by the company as well.
Okay.
So, like I said, communication is a vast topic,
Vast topic.
and the area of improvement is also, you know, really equally vast. However, from the students' perspective, for fresher
Yeah.
students who are going to appear for the interviews, I would say that there are few areas, basic areas, which the student has to master. The very first area is English. You know, I have seen that most of the students who say that they are weak in communication, they are either, they either cannot speak in English, or they are not confident while speaking in English. Now, try to understand, students, even if you are not confident while speaking in English, that means that your English is weak. Okay, so you have to work on your English. That is one thing that needs to be done. Apart from that, they should work a little bit on their confidence. In addition to this, for some students, in case if their English is really good, they should work a little bit on their attitude. Students, they need to be very, very polite in their attitude, you know. So while communicating, if you are polite in your attitude, that is something which is missing amongst the students these days. So that is something that they should include. And in addition to that, I would say they can work a little bit on the body language. Okay, I will give you an example. For example, let us say the students, they are into a habit of pointing fingers. You know, they will say he has done it. So rather than pointing the finger, you can say, well, you see, you will feel this. You know, just feel my finger. You have done this. So when we say you, this is something that kind of makes you feel violated, right? Even if I am going to say a good thing for you, for example, if I say he is a good boy, but you see, this finger won't make you feel good,
Yeah.
right? So rather than using a finger, you can simply use your palm, and it has to be an open palm. This is like the palm facing downwards. This is not correct. It can be an open palm, and you can say he has done this. Now you say it is everything else is same, okay, but because of this palm, that difference has been made. So with few tips in body language, which of course, like, we cannot include in one interview.
No, that's not
But
possible.
these are the areas.
I have also seen that many times. If interviewer asks the question, where do you live? Sir, I live in XYZ area. So this is the body language which really
Right.
which is not acceptable.